If you are using a Fitbit Versa 3, resetting it is very easy. Let's first start with how you can shut down Versa 3 and perform a soft reset. Go to Menu Settings, scroll below and you will find the shutdown option at the last. Tap on it. This will bring you a prompt asking you to confirm whether or not you want to shut down your watch. Select Yes. Your watch vibrates and then turns off. Now to turn it back on, press the touch sensitive button on your Versa 3. Keep on holding the button until you see the Fitbit logo. As you can see, the watch is turned on now. To reset the watch, go to the settings, scroll below to the About Versa 3 option and tap on it. Here, tap on the factory reset option. On the next screen, tap on Yes to continue. And now your watch will reset itself. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for the watch to reset. Now to turn it back on, press the touch sensitive button on your Versa 3. Keep on holding the button until you see the Fitbit logo. Once the watch is reset, it will be in pairing mode. And now you can connect it to your phone. So guys, that's how you reset your Fitbit Versa 3. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you did, then press that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on wearable tech.